Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is validation rule. Validation rule verifies whether provided data is compatible or not. If data is not compatible, then throw an error message, otherwise save the record. Validation rules are of two types, system validation rule and custom validation rule. Let's see system validation rule. These are defined by Salesforce. This will check whether required fields are entered or not. Also, data is compatible with data type. Custom validation rule. These values are defined by the user as per business requirement. When rule is true, then throw error message. When rule is false, then save the record. Let's see an example for validation rule. Create a new field by the name date of joining on employee object. Write a validation rule to make the date of joining field required, and also date of joining field must be greater than date of birth field. Log into our Salesforce account. So click on app launcher. Search for employee management system app. Click on employee tab. So let's see record employee ID 0003. So here we are seeing employee ID, name James, date of birth 10/6/2000 and age getting calculated 24, designation software engineer, experience and sum of salary. So to create the validation rule, first we need to create the employee field date of joining. Click on gear icon, edit object. Fields and relationship. Click new. So a date of joining field should be date type. Allow users to enter a date or pick a date from a pop-up calendar. Click next. Provide the field label date of joining. By clicking this checkbox also we can make this field as required, but we are not going to check this box. We are going to write a validation rule to perform the same task. Click next. FLS, I am going with default. Click next. Page layout, employee page layout. Click save. So to write the validation rule, just scroll down, click on validation rule. So there is no any validation rule written up to now. Click on new. Define a validation rule by specifying an error condition and a corresponding error message. So here I am providing the rule name, validate date of joining. Active is already checked. We can provide here description as well. And here we are going to check two conditions. First is going to be is blank, means making required, and second making the field uh, greater than date of birth. So from the function, so if this formula expression is true, display the text defined in the error message area. So in the function, we are going to take OR condition, or checks whether any of the arguments are true and returns true or false. Returns true only if all arguments are false. Insert selected function. So for the first logical one, I am going to put is blank, means making it required. Is blank, it's asking for the expression. Just I am going to choose the field date of joining, click insert, and for the next logical, date of joining is smaller than or less than date of birth. Check the syntax. No error found. This error will appear when error condition formula is true and we are providing the error message. Date of joining should be greater than date of birth and field must contain value. Error location I am giving date of joining, click save. So a validation rule is created. So come back to our application. Just so let's reload this page. Click on new button. So just create a new employee. So here I am providing some random data. Name is Matthew. Date of birth I am taking 2000, and designation is Salesforce developer. Experience is having 1 year of experience as Salesforce developer, and date of joining uh, I am making it empty. Let's see what is happening. Click save. So it's saying that date of joining should be greater than date of birth and field must contain value. So again I am going uh, to provide the date of birth before date of birth value. So here again I am going to provide 2000 here, and it should be greater than 2000, but I am providing 1990. Let's see what is happening. Again we are getting the error. Date of joining should be greater than date of birth, means this value must be greater than this value. So now I am providing the correct value. So now it is a perfect value. Click on save. So it's saved. So like this we are creating the validation rule. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below.